25 years for you in the industry. 2001 it all started. And sir, आपने तो परदेस से आप
जी।
you started from Pardes.
Yeah.
You have, if I'm not wrong, 2008 you started
Yeah,
your, and
yeah.
2014
Yeah.
you started. You know, all of y'all here have had a considerable journey in the industry. Today I want to know from y'all that what is the one pleasant change in the industry which y'all find very welcoming, and also something that is bothering y'all at this point of time.
Start with you.
14, 8.
See, the good part is that there is a lot of content that is being made.
Right.
And the bad part is also there is a lot of content that is being made.
Okay.
I'll tell you why. Because as an actor, it is amazing that, you know, we do not have to wait so long to get another job, because now there is vertical dramas, there are web shows, there is TV, there are films always, right? Why is that not a good part? Is because the good stories are getting routed to places where they are not supposed to be. The good stories are getting routed to people who are not capable enough of making it.
Okay.
You know, and that is a very sad part, but it's a part of the game, right? I mean, I don't have a complaint, I'm just giving you another side of it. So industry, when I joined Instagram on 2015, and now practically Instagram is everything in
Correct.
2026, right? So that's something, and now I don't know why, but there's this immense pressure on actors and every individual artist to be on Instagram and do something there. I mean, that's not a platform for to show that we are good looking, that we are capable enough, or that we have some content. It's just something to share regular life, right? Once in a blue moon. So industry has changed a lot, but again, as I said, you know, a lot of talents are getting scope, whether good or bad or decent or moderate, or we are not talking about it right now. But the fact that a lot of actors, a lot of artists getting a chance to demonstrate what they can do in their own capacity is amazing.
Amazing. What is your take on this?
See, I think one, people have become more professional.
Okay.
And definitely respecting time, which earlier I've heard, मतलब बहुत पहले कि time पे लोग नहीं होते थे या जो भी, तो वो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. Secondly, as an actor, what I'm doing right now, I'm actually an actor for all 4 mediums.
Yes.
So I'm working on all 4 mediums right now. I'm doing micro dramas also. I'm doing OTT or digital.
Correct.
जो आप बोल रहे हो, film, TV. I'm open for all and doing all. So which sort of keeps me, brings all the content also to me. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. I don't agree with Freddie on the content bit, because I feel कि एक जना जिसने लिखा है, it's his capacity where he can take it. Now, if he's not able to take it to a film, and he's getting a chance to make a, let's say, go to a series out of it, or go to a vertical medium and do it, why not? It's crossing millions and millions of views, and it is more than $1,000 billion market right now. So there's a big reason why bigger production houses, bigger platforms are going ahead and starting their own segment.
True.
And so yeah, I think pros बहुत हैं and cons को I think ज़्यादा देखना नहीं चाहिए.
Sir, as a storyteller, what's
See, सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि आज OTT के आने से और डिफरेंट मीडियम के आने से राइटिंग हैज़ इवॉल्व्ड अ लॉट.
right?
पहले भी राइटिंग हमेशा से थी, लेकिन अब यह है कि राइटिंग इज़ योर की. अगर आप अच्छे राइटर नहीं हैं तो एक अच्छे डायरेक्टर बनना मुश्किल है. तो और प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी, प्रोड्यूसर्स, और सबसे बड़ी बात एक चेंज हुई है कि आपकी कहानियों की लिमिट में जो भी आप करना चाहते हो इमेजिनेशन में, यू कैन अचीव नाउ, बिकॉज VFX हैज़ गॉन समवेयर एल्स. बजट्स फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट के आने से प्लस भी है, माइनस भी है. प्लस ये है कि अगर आपकी फिल्म है तो मल्टीपल इन्वेस्टर के पास जाकर शेड्यूल बाय शेड्यूल भागने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू हैव अ कॉर्पोरेट हु कैन see your vision, their creative team can support your vision, and then you can do.
Right.
But yes, उसमें यही है कि the trust on the maker has to be there. जब भी ऐसा हुआ है कॉर्पोरेट ने मेकर पे ट्रस्ट किया है तो फिर they have created history. But if that is not the case, then वो थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट सफ़र होता है. तो वो एक चीज़ है. बाकी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ओवरऑल प्रोफेशनलिज्म बहुत आया है,
Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनलिज्म आया है कि अब हर व्यक्ति अपने आप को प्रोफेशनल बनाने की तरफ एक डिसिप्लिन में भी ला रहा है, विच इज़ हेल्पिंग द इंडस्ट्री।